So first, just gonna make like a lot of sheets of hardened paper, maybe 30, 25 or so should be enough because you gotta make the actual blade part and the supports. I'm using 110-pound cardstock. I suggest that because you don't have to make as many hardened sheets of paper. You can do it with lighter weight papers, but you will have to make more just to compensate for the strength. But you can get away with a lighter sword, just won't be as durable. But I do suggest 110-pound cardstock. Just gonna fold a piece of paper and then glue it together, folding it long ways to make one sheet of hardened paper. I'm laying the hardened sheets of paper in a brick formation, and they are being glued until they are the length a little longer than the template. I'm creating this to be about 4 layers. You can just follow along in the time lapse for making your own base. I then lay it under heavy books to dry to avoid warping. I'm now trimming the template and taping it on to the base, and I'm putting transfer paper underneath the template and then drawing over it. This is going to transfer the template onto the base, and then you can use it as a template to cut it from there. You can also just tape the template on and cut through it, or glue the template onto the base. Remember to make multiple passes when cutting the template out. This will leave a cleaner final product and will put less strain on your hands. I'm now laying down the popsicle stick supports. I'm laying them down in a brick pattern as well, but if you want to see the very specific way that I lay mine down, just follow the video. I am now making the panels. These panels are overlapping to avoid warping in the blade. I made sure to panel the edge of the blade before I did the actual bevels. I am now making the details and ornaments. You can find these in the description. How you build depth and detail for these ornaments is really up to you. I suggest creating depth by making multiple layers on the ornaments, such as the guard. I then paint the blade silver, and then I wrap a sort of handle using paper and tape over the handle, and I add details using various methods such as hot glue and paint, and add silver paint to some details. I also glue on the details to the blade. And I create wraps using tape and other wraps for where they need to be, such as where the blade meets the guard and where the handle meets. I then found a wrapping tutorial on YouTube, but since I'm a little retarded, I had trouble following along, so I just created my own wrap. You can find various katana wraps on YouTube and use whichever works best for you. I also add a wrap where the guard meets the blade.